What is going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video and share if it makes any sense to you. So today's video is about a product review, or two products should I say. ASUS TUF Gaming, ASUS 504 TUF Gaming, and the Huion Kamvas Pro 13. So I recently got these. I got them yesterday. I mean, I ordered them like I think a month ago, so some weeks ago, but then they landed in Nigeria yesterday. So this video is just showing you how like I kind of like opened it and showing you things in it, and then I'll go through, like I'll just show you guys a time lapse on how I used this tablet and the PC to create new art piece. So if you are conversant with my videos, like if you know more about me, if you watch my videos on YouTube, you'd see that I do more of graphic design content. I don't do much illustrations because the old PC I had actually did not have like good graphics specification for art. Like I could use it to do art, I could use it to do graphic design, but then at the same time I couldn't for some reason record my progress while I work, because in my opinion that PC was weak. So it was pretty weak, and this one has a GTX NVIDIA 1060 6th generation, I guess, and I think i7 or i5, I don't even know. So like I have to check that out in order to be sure. So okay, it's i5 8th generation. So I'm not much of a gamer. I figured like graphics PCs are more for gamers, but then they're also good for anyone who's into making of softwares and who is also into doing art. So I basically just use Photoshop, and Photoshop like lags when you have lots of layers and files and all that. So in my opinion, this tablet is, the PC was worth buying. Like I really love this PC, and this tablet you're seeing here is pretty cool. So let me show you guys what I used it to do. So like at this stage I was trying to figure out how to open the stand and everything, but then I ended up figuring it out. And let me take you guys to my PC so you'd see. So yes, this is my new PC. So this is the League of Legends, desktop. I'm a fan of it, but I don't play it. So like this is an art I've been working for the past 3 days, and I almost gave up. But when this PC and this tablet came, I decided to continue to use this new PC and tablet to complete the art. So this art is I was trying to make a fan art of Crypto, the super dog, like in DC Comics. And I won't even, let me be honest with you guys, this, like, ever since I used this, like my Photoshop did not have any reason to lag at any point. Like it is so it's so cool, because the express keys on the tablet really helps a lot, like the zooming and all that. So I have no business with my PC. I just use the tablet most of the time, unless I want to do some other complicated things like duplicate and selecting and all this stuff. But then basic things like painting, increasing brush size, reducing brush size, zooming out, zooming in, scrolling up, scrolling down, those things are done with this tablet. Like they already I don't know the words. Like it was already there like when I saw it, and it took me like 2 days to set this thing up, because this is my first time of using the display graphics tablet. So I had no idea. I had to message Huion Nigeria, I had to message Huion, I had to send them an email. They said they weren't going to respond to me because Chinese holiday, February 8th to February 18th, blah blah blah. And then I went somewhere here in USA, and he gave me a link, like it was an auto reply, and said I should tap this. I tapped on the link, I went to Huion firmware update, and I downloaded it. But for some reason that didn't, well, it gave me an insight. It kept on showing me USB, and I made a mistake. I kept on making a mistake for the past 2 days. I only used to put the HDMI cord to my PC, but then I never put in the USB because I was like, okay, HDMI will display it here, but what's the point? And it can't work. So when I saw the USB thing in the firmware, I decided to plug in the USB, and then I noticed that it started working, and I was so proud of myself. Like I did this like last night, and it was so cool. So that's all I can say. I can say that this is the best. Like for me, I was supposed to get the Kamvas 13, but then I don't know, for some reason I couldn't order it. I think because I can't remember the store. I think it was eBay. Yeah, eBay I ordered it from. So like I was like, I think the person, because new products now, so people kept on buying, and it was out of stock. I already saw this one, and I decided to pick it because 2018 version, I guess, and I wanted 2020 Kamvas 13, and I didn't get it, but it's all good. I mean, this one is still cool. So yes, that's my review on the Huion tablet. Let me just take you guys to the process on how I painted the cards in time lapse. Please enjoy the music while you watch this process. I have nothing to say at this point because it's pretty long, and there's really nothing to, there's nothing to say at this time. Just watch how I approach my painting style and technique. And in further in future videos, I think I'll show you guys my process, since I can do this now thanks to Huion. Oh, this video wasn't sponsored by this guy, so let's just leave that aside. It wasn't sponsored by Huion, neither was sponsored by ASUS. So this is just me and my own opinion. And yes, that is all. So just watch and enjoy the electronic music vibe, I think.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.